Hello everyone. So today I'm going to say how to find the text processing using string manipulations using C. So first, the program reads a line of text that contains up to 5 space separated integers. It uses the function strtok to break the line into tokens. Each interacted token is converted from a string into an integer using a toi function and stored in an array A. After reading all numbers, the program uses two nested loops to sort the array using bubble sort. It compares each pair of adjacent elements. If a number is larger than the next one, they are swapped. This comparing and swapping continues until the entire list is sorted in ascending order. Finally, the program prints all the sorted numbers in a single line separated by commas. In simple words, you enter number, program extracts them, converts to integers, sorts them, and prints them in order. Thank you.